What's up, guys? Houston here. Look, if you're trying to find money, okay, to find free money to catch up on paying some bills or to start your business and stuff like that, I'm going to show you some of the best places you should look to find free money. Now, the first place is the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs. This is for people that are military related, okay? You may have a father, mother, grandparent, or somebody that died and they never did get their military benefits from their insurance and things of that nature, well, this here's the website you want to go to. All right. It's the insurance.va.gov, unclaimed funds search. And you would put their policy number in and you put their name in, and you can search to see if there's any outstanding insurance policies on your loved ones. All right. That's the first one. Then, for some of you guys, you may not have gotten back your tax refund, right? And so when you don't get your tax refund and stuff, that makes you uncomfortable. Well, you can actually go to the website irs.gov/refunds, and you can actually search and file a claim to see what's happening with your tax refund. Okay, you definitely can go here. Now, the next one I like is unclaimed.org. And the reason I like it, see where it says find and claim? Okay, so what that means is that you would click on your state. All right. So say if I stayed in Texas, right? I would click on Texas. Then once I click on Texas, what I would do, I would put my name or business name here, and then what it'll do, it will locate property, locate money, or anything that I may be entitled to. Now, there's another thing about this that people don't know. Even if you move to another state, so like I stay in California, and then I used to stay in Missouri. So if I put my information in Missouri and I have money there that's owed to me in Missouri, then I'm able to claim that money as well. Okay, so you can do it for every state that you stayed in that you think that may owe you money, or you may have a family or relative that may have passed away or something like that, and you may be able to help them help the family claim that money or whatever. So you definitely can do that. All right. Then you have this next one. So this is where your wages. You may have worked a job and you didn't receive the last paycheck, okay? Or you didn't get your pension, or you had an old 401k or something like that. Then you want to go to this web page. This is webapps.dol, which is the Department of Labor.gov. Okay, and they will look up for his wages for you. You put in a um, the company name, then you put in the state, and it would actually search the database. And then once it searches that database, verifying that company, then what ends up happening, you put your information in, and then you can look. And once it shows you that they owe you money, then you can actually put in a claim for it. Okay. And this is a government website as well. Now, here's another one. Say that you trying to get money for your business, free grant money for your business, then you can actually go to Axiom Opportunity Funds, aofund.org, right? So they have a new program called Fast Break for small business. Now, here's the thing about it with this Fast Break for small business. What it is it's offering small grants and stuff to small businesses. And so the things that you probably want to know is what are the qualifications. All right. So they're hooked up with LegalZoom. Okay. And so they offer legal advice as well. And so what they're doing, they're offering grants for 300 business owners. All right. So this has been going on since August or whatever. But totaling $3 million. So that doesn't mean you're too late, because we don't know if they gave out all the money yet. All right, so I would still try it. They're doing it for 15,000 business owners. All right, so that's the thing about it. Um, had it, and here's the requirements. All right, all U.S. based businesses were eligible to apply for the grant. Okay, established business bank account. So for you guys that are like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, you would have to actually be registered as a real business. Okay. And so that doesn't mean that you can't apply, but this is their requirements and stuff. And that's the reason I continue to tell people that when you are trying to be self-employed and stay under the radar and stuff, you miss out on a lot of money because you are not a registered business. It hurts you because you can't raise credit, uh, can't get loans, credit cards. A lot of lenders don't want to work with you if you're not registered as a legal business. If you need help with that, you can click the link in the description. But going back to this, as you can see, operation for at least 3 months. All right. So you have to be in operation for at least 3 months. Now, again, this here program, I don't know if it's still available because it's still on their website. So I still think you may have an opportunity. All right. I don't think they did all the awarding and stuff like that. So that's something. But here's the thing about it, you can see what type of business are ineligible. So you have adult entertainment, tobacco stores, firearm sellers, marijuana related, massage parlors, illegal activities, gambling, real estate investment companies, banking and financial institutions, merchant service companies, lending business, small business loan broker, check cashers, bail bondsman, pawn shop, collection companies, multi-level marketing, non-profit organizations. So you can see here, this is what I mean about having the right NAICS code when you're trying to get funding for your business. When you're trying to get help for your business, if you're in a high risk business, you're not going to get funding. All right. And this is something that I've been telling people for years. The thing about it, if you're in a high risk business, then you need to restructure the business, or you need to use a different type of a NAICS code in order to get qualified for funding. All right. So that's a lender. Then the last one, this is say that for investors and stuff. Say you invested into a company and the company went belly up or something like that, and you didn't get your investment back and stuff like that. This is where you actually can go to the US Securities and Exchange Commission, and you can actually put in a claim here to see if there's any money out there for you as well. All right. So you have multiple resources. Now, another thing that I'm definitely going to tell you, if you are working a job, one of the key things I always tell you guys is go to your HR department. You need to file exempt for about 3 or 4 months so you have extra income coming in. And so with that extra income, you'll be able to catch up on paying some bills, or you may use some of the money to start a little business or something like that, but you're missing an opportunity and you have access to money. Also, with your job, if you're doing a retirement plan, you may want to put a pause on your 401k or something like that so you can have enough money. I have a video that's going to be coming out showing you how to actually pay your bills down and stuff, even if you don't have extra income. So I'll be releasing that video. If you like this video, comment video below so I'll know that you be waiting for the next one. I hope this helps you, and I'll see you in the next video.